My 3 months internship at Unified Mentor was an invaluable step forward in my journey as a full stack web developer. I had the opportunity to work across multiple layers of application development, from crafting engaging front-end interfaces to designing scalable and secure backend systems. I have completed the project Cruise Management Digital Ikram Panchayat block project and weather app. To run this project seamlessly, I used front-end React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Tailwind CSS for building responsive and user-friendly interfaces, backend Django and Python for robust server-side development and API integration databases, hands-on with MongoDB and MySQL Workbench for data modeling, querying, and performance optimization, version control, and collaboration, used Git and GitHub daily to manage code, contribute to repositories, and collaborate through pull request and issue tracking. This internship challenged me to push my boundaries and helped me develop a stronger grasp of full stack web development. I improved my debugging skills, learned how to optimize for performance, and became comfortable navigating complex tech stacks. More importantly, I built the confidence to take initiative and contribute meaningfully to my goals. Thank you.